So hello again and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. So I'm going to put this theory to test. I've had this plug-in tester, wonderful, great for troubleshooting, to let you know if your electrical circuit is running power. So I have this plugged in right now. I'm going to go to the panel and I'm going to start to turn my breakers on, and once this is the correct breaker, this should turn on green and it should beep to notify me. So let's put this to the test. So again, this is the electrical room where I'm going to be fitting my breakers. As you can see, they're going to be all fault breakers. So let's try the first one, not that. Push that back into the from the trip position. When you have it a new breaker, it's always in the trip position. Okay. So I heard that noise, so let's go over and see if the TV is correct. So there you have it, another receptacle that's turned on inside of the home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the other bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom. We're going to make sure that there's nothing that's not working here. Everything needs to be working. So this here is not. Possibly could be on another circuit. So this here. Not either. Okay, so there is no power on these receptacles. So I'm going to have to troubleshoot. So again, this is why you have to troubleshoot, and also it's best to make sure that you have your plug-in tester. Again, thank you guys for tuning into today's video, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, or you can become a member of the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. As you guys come in, please don't forget to hit up that like button. Please and thank you, very important. And what we have here is two electrical switches. One is on the left hand side is non-tamper. On the right hand side here, this is tamper, mostly used in homes. Reason being, protection of the kids from sticking anything in between the holes that you see here on the front of the receptacle. So again, thank you guys all, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So this is me testing my wires, and I shouldn't have no continuity between my wires. If I do, there's a problem.